What kind of warranties does Moose Roofing offer? Well, we have standard 2-year labor warranties on most of the projects that we complete. There's a difference between what we offer for our labor warranty versus the warranty that is on the roofing product itself, and different types of roofing products and different procedures for the installation do indeed result in differing levels of the product warranty, how long those last. Some product warranties are 10, 15, 20, 25 years, some 30, 50 years. It is a standard practice in the industry these days that a lot of roofing products, especially on the residential side, are simply labeled lifetime. And so it's very important that you've got technicians and people who are working on the roofing assembly and the installation of the roof product that know what they're doing and know what the manufacturer's installation instructions are. No warranty is valid unless the roof was installed properly. And so before we start being concerned about how long a warranty is going to last, we first have to take into consideration that you've got to have qualified and well-seasoned roof installers that are doing the project, so that you don't inadvertently void a warranty that normally would cover you for lots of years after the roof was installed.